Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce1, on to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I want to discuss with you guys on how to store your canna lily bulbs. I know winter's right around the corner, the temperatures are starting to decrease, but these canna lily bulbs and cannabis and a whole bunch of other bulbs unfortunately cannot overwinter in the ground for many growing zones. So you guys have to store them up and store them in an area where it does not get too cold, because these plants are considered tropical plants. For example, here in South Florida we don't have to do that, but I'm showcasing you guys because I'm also dealing with something with my caladium bulbs, and so I'm gonna restart the growing process, which is something you guys would be able to do too, which means you guys are gonna store them, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about that later on in the future. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video and talk about step 1. So coming at step number 1 is you want to dig up your caladium plants. By this time, a lot of them should be starting to die back with yellow leaves, and some of them might be completely died back, but I would recommend digging them up once they have a little bit of foliage left on them, so you know where your bulbs are located at. Number 2 is you want to go ahead and shake off as much soil as you can. Soil contains moisture, as you guys know, and when it comes to storing bulbs like canna lily bulbs and caladiums, you don't want any moisture around them because that could cause rotting problems later on in its future life during storage. And so you don't want no soil left. So the thing you can go ahead and do, shake off as much soil as you can. If you have a wooden pallet or if you have a table, lay them out, shake as much soil, lay them out, and wait until that soil dries out completely. Then you're gonna have to shake off that excess soil off so your bulbs are completely clear of soil. Coming at number 3 is you have to cut back any excess foliage, because you don't want the plant focusing on keeping that foliage alive during its storage process. So you don't want none of that to be there, so you want to cut them back completely, and so they can know that they're in storage and they are they're overwintering in the area you're placing them in. Number 4 is you want to go ahead and store them in a container with some type of filler stuff in it. A lot of gardeners do this so it can allow aeration in and out, but also to prevent light from hitting these bulbs, because it could cause the bulbs to start growing or even scorch them and burn them before the next growing season. So you want to go ahead and after they're dry and after you cut off the excess foliage, you want to get a decent sized container for the amount of bulbs you have. You can use multiple, but you want to use some type of filler that does not contain moisture, like for example like magazines, or you can use shredded paper, or you can use garden straw, anything like that that you feel does not have moisture but allows aeration or circulation to go in and out, so your bulbs could still be dried out and no light could be introduced inside the crate. So make sure all of that is checked off on your list when it comes to storing them. That's gonna be it for this simple video, you guys. That's just an easy one-on-one step on how to store your canna lily bulbs for the winter. Hopefully you guys found this video educational and informative, because I for sure had fun filming this video, and hopefully you guys found something new when watching this video. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.